A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development, Special Counsel Jack Smith's office is preparing to wind down its investigation into the federal criminal charges against former President Donald Trump. This move comes in light of Trump's recent victory in the 2024 presidential election, raising questions about the future of ongoing legal proceedings. Smith's office, which operates independently within the Department of Justice, DOJ, has reportedly begun discussions on how to dismantle its operations, adhering to a long-standing DOJ policy that protects sitting presidents from prosecution. Former federal prosecutor Chuck Rosenberg expressed his disappointment over the decision, describing it as sensible, inevitable, and unfortunate. Smith has charged Trump in two separate cases. The first involves allegations of illegally removing thousands of government documents, including classified materials, from the White House after leaving office in 2021. Trump has been accused of hoarding these documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida, where they were stored in unsecured locations. Although a Trump-appointed federal judge dismissed all charges against him, Smith was preparing to appeal the ruling. The second case relates to Trump's involvement in the January 6, 2021, attack on the U.S. Capitol, with charges including conspiracy to defraud the United States and obstruction of an official proceeding. Both cases have faced numerous delays, many instigated by Trump's legal team, which has raised claims of presidential immunity that have been partially acknowledged by the Supreme Court. With Trump now positioned as president-elect, the likelihood of further delays in the legal process increases. Trump has indicated that he would seek to dismiss the charges against him and has openly stated his intention to fire Jack Smith if he were to win the election. Compounding Trump's legal challenges are state-level criminal charges, which also appear to be faltering. While there is no clear legal precedent regarding the prosecution of a sitting president in state courts, it is anticipated that cases in New York and Georgia would ultimately reach the Supreme Court, where a ruling could shield Trump from prosecution until after his term concludes. Despite the potential legal hurdles, Trump may still face civil liabilities, including a substantial judgment in favor of journalist Jean Carroll, whom he was found liable for sexually abusing. As he returns to office, Trump is expected to continue leveraging his presidency to generate income through his private properties, which could help him fund any financial obligations stemming from legal judgments. In a recent congressional report, Democrats highlighted Trump's controversial financial practices, including receiving payments from foreign dignitaries and overcharging the Secret Service for protection services. Legal experts suggest that Smith's decision to wind down his investigation could ultimately serve his goals by allowing him to submit a comprehensive report to Attorney General Merrick Garland. This report, if made public, could be referenced in future legal actions against Trump, whether they arise during or after his presidency. As the political landscape shifts, concerns about the implications of Trump's re-election on journalism and the broader societal context are surfacing. Many in the media are expressing apprehension over the potential for increased aggression toward journalists and the risks posed by Trump's administration. In light of these developments, organizations like Truthout are mobilizing to address the challenges ahead. They are committed to reporting on Trump's policies and the movements resisting them, emphasizing the importance of truthful journalism as a tool against authoritarianism. The urgency of the moment calls for a collective effort to ensure that independent journalism can thrive amid potential threats. As the community grapples with the implications of Trump's agenda, there is a renewed call for support to safeguard the integrity of the press and maintain a platform for truthful discourse. As we face this pivotal moment in American history, the commitment to uphold democratic values and resist the tide of misinformation remains paramount. The fight for justice and accountability continues, and the role of journalism is crucial in illuminating the path forward. The stakes have never been higher, and the need for vigilance and solidarity is clearer than ever. The future of our democracy depends on our collective action and determination to hold power accountable, ensuring that the voices of the marginalized are heard and that the truth prevails. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.